Welcome back to Excel with NS. Please like, share, and follow TechHistory on all social media platforms. Let's get right into it. In the previous video, we are on this function series with text, so we'll be answering more questions using this data set. We'll use this data set to answer all these questions. So let's get right into it. The first question states, extract the staff name only before the slash. So here, let's reduce this. Let's put all the alignment on this side so you can reduce the screen so it can solve everything to enter the cells on the screen. Alright, now let's get on with it. It said we should extract the staff name only before the slash. That is, before this slash we should remove only the staff name. So here we come over here, we put our staff name. So from there we have to put our staff name, we use the left function. So the left function, we put our B2 from the B2 we put the comma, then we put the find this slash, and in C2 then close bracket -1. So what this does is that it will take C2 B2. What it does is to calculate, it will start counting this Adeogun. Then when it gets to the slash, it will stop and it will subtract 1, that is the slash, from the result. That is it. If you remove this -1 and click your equals to, it will count up to the slash. But once you put the -1, it will stop there. What this is saying is that count from the left and stop at the slash, then remove one character, which is that slash, and give it to us. There we have it, our Adeogun. Now we just fill this for all. As you can see, we have only the names here is arranged. Now we have the second question for this data set. Convert extracted staff name to proper case. To convert the extracted staff name, which is this, to proper case, come over here, put the proper, let's highlight this, so equals to the proper case. Proper case is putting the first letter in capital letter and the rest is small letter. So proper F2 is to put only the first letter in capital, the rest will maintain status quo of small letters. So let's reduce this, and here we have it, all the names are in proper. Here we use the left, count from the left down where you stop, find this slash and stop there. So it stops at the slash, subtract 1, and we have it. The proper, put the first letter in capital letter and the rest in small letters. And then you say we should extract, the third question is extract the department after the slash. So we've answered the two questions. Now so we should extract the department from the slash, which is this logistics. To extract the department, let's reduce this and increase this. So we'll call here department. So after we've got the department, to extract only the department, that's where we use the right. The right is more complicated than the left, but what this right will be telling us is that in B2, so what it's saying is in B2, that is this thing. To get the department, we don't use len, the len function. B2, close it, subtract it from the find, and there we have it. So what this is saying is that in your B2, which is in a day slash logistics, count the total number of characters, then find the position which this slash is. That is, find this position, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Subtract it from the total number of characters, then that will be our range. That is where we calculate from and stop. So let's count this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. So it's 17 there, and the position of this logistics is of this slash is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Which will give us 9. So it will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and stop there. That is exactly what it will do. It will calculate the total number, find the position which the slash is at, then subtract that from the total number, then count from the right down and give it to us. That is exactly what this formula just stated. And with that, we can just go ahead to fill the functions, to fill, double tap on this, to fill it on all the other side. And that's that. In the next video, I'll show you how to do this in a more complex way, using a more complex function. We have answered the first 3 questions, and I'll answer them again, but in a more complex way. I'll see you in the next video. NS out.